For the best deals on tires and rims, go to tiresourcecanada.ca. And don't forget to use their promo code HOC5 for a 5% discount on all the online orders. The link is in the description below. Hi guys, and welcome to another video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. But if you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you know when the next video drops. Isabel from FitCam-X sent me this dash cam for my Kia EV6. And I'm going to install and review it. As you can see, it supports 4K resolution. And as mentioned on the side of the box, Wi-Fi connectivity, loop recording, so it starts recording over the first video once the microSD card is full, G-sensor to detect any collision and then save that clip, super wide angle, perfect fit. And this is really the point of this particular dash cam, because as we will see in a moment during the installation, pretty much all dash cams apart from this are a tack-on the windshield. This one actually goes in the housing behind the mirror, giving us that built-in from the factory feeling. And lastly, HDR, high dynamic range. Now let's unbox it. We have this big box and a small box. In the small box, we will find the cable and a pry bar and a micro SD card adapter. In the big box is the dash cam itself, and at the bottom we have the owner's manual. Taking the dash cam out, and any Kia EV6 owner will find this very familiar. I'm going to change the angle of the camera now, mounted on the sunroof, so we can actually see the installation. Let's get started. To take this cover off, first of all, we're going to fold the mirror down and then remove this bit right here in the center. We can just lightly pull on it and it comes out. As per the FitCam-X video instructions, I'm going to use this pry bar here at the bottom to, there you go, remove this. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. They definitely know what they're talking about. Oh, and it came out just like that. Very simple. You're not going to break it. It was pretty straightforward. The only reason you see this cable dangling here is because I was using the adapter that I had used to power my existing dash cam. There's a little black clip over here in case you have a setup like this that you just press on and it will release the adapter, and then same on the other side for the adapter that's going in the mirror, or the housing, I would say. There you go. This is the Donger Technologies adapter. This is the adapter that came with FitCam-X. The top part will connect the housing for power, and this part will actually power the camera itself. Pretty straightforward. There's no way to connect it wrongly because, well, that's how the male and female connectors are. So clearly this one is going to go in there. You heard the click. And this one will be going in here. You heard the second click. And now this is going to power the dash cam itself. Let's install it. Align this line over here with the other line of the connector, and it will seamlessly just go in. Boom. This. The tip to easy installation is to ensure where the clips go. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 clips which go here, here, and on either side here. So the easiest way would be, instead of sliding it up, make sure that these two go on top of here, and then everything else should just fall into place. So we'll bring it all the way to the top, and there you go. Snaps into place just like that. Now we have to hide the wiring. There you go. And to hide all this, the cover. Just snaps into place easily. And here is what it looks like. Who can say this car did not come from the factory like this? Excellent product. From the driver's side, this is the power button, which you press and hold to turn it off, and then short press to turn it on. Press and hold the camera button for 20 seconds to reset it to factory settings. You don't actually have to do any of this, because when the car turns on, the camera turns on. When the car turns off, the camera turns off. So for regular use, you don't have to do any of this. From the passenger side, here is where your micro SD card will sit in case you want to take it out. The installation is complete, and now it's time to configure it. So for that, we turn the car on, which will turn the camera on. Download the FitCam X app on your Android or iOS device. Now, before launching the app, go to your Wi-Fi settings, and we have to connect to the camera's Wi-Fi on the phone or the device, and look for anything that starts with LHD or car. Tap that. The password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then connect. If you launch the app without doing this, the app is going to ask you to do this anyways. So we're going to do this first and then launch the app. And we're going to say connect, because it's telling us that it connected to Wi-Fi, but there's no connectivity. There's no internet connectivity. So we're saying, yes, we want to connect. And now we're going to go ahead and launch FitCam X app. And it says you haven't connected to FitCam X. And then we're going to click or tap connect to FitCam X. And now it should be able to connect, because we've already done the step that it wanted us to do. Camera connected. Excellent. Camera settings, photo resolution, the max is 12 megapixels. Video resolution, you know what, I'm going to set it to 4K because I can. The default is not 4K, it's 2K. I'm going to set it up to 4K. Loop recording duration, the duration of each recording. If the memory card is full, it will automatically be overwritten from the earliest video. It's 3 minutes. Exposure compensation, I'm going to leave it at default. Timestamp, yes. Collision sensing, low. When the camera is in recording mode, it will automatically lock current video when an impact is detected. It's at low. I'm going to keep it to... yeah, you know what? Low is good. Parking guard. Okay, here's the thing. Parking Guard will only work if you have done the installation using the fuse box, because that's the only time it will get continuous current to keep it on. With this, the camera will turn off once the car turns off. So yeah, you can't use the Parking Guard feature. Format SD card. So yeah, I'm going to format it. Format successful. The quality of the live view is adjusted to give you the best experience. To watch the original recordings, go to camera file. So here's camera file right here. To the bottom left, there's an option. And here, I guess you will see all the recordings. And this is what's going on right now, obviously. So it's recording live. And if we go back, here you see two cameras. One is a still camera, one is a video camera. If I tap the still camera, it will take a picture. Capture successful. And this is what the quality looks like. And as you can see, it is time-stamped, date and time. The top one is a video camera with a pause on it, which means currently it's being recorded, but if you want to pause the video, you can tap it. And now it will say recording paused, but we don't want to do that. We're going to tap it again and recording started. Now we're going to drive the car and I'm going to show you what the footage looks like in 4K. And there you have it. As you can see, the installation and configuration was pretty straightforward. A third-party product that gives you an OEM look. I love it, and I'm going to keep it. Thank you, Isabel. If you'd like to order one for yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. And don't forget to use the promo code for a discount. I hope you found the video useful, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you for watching.